This video shows how to use a handheld blender safely. It's important to be very careful when using a handheld blender so that your fingers never come into contact with the sharp blades. If the saucepan is hot, you can place it on a pan stand. Plug in the blender and switch on at the socket. Keep your fingers away from the blades. Immerse the end of the blender into the soup before turning it on. This will prevent any splashes. Turn on the blender for short blasts and move around the saucepan to blend all the ingredients together. When you've got the consistency you want, turn the blender off and pull it out of the soup. Then, switch it off and unplug the blender at the socket. Remember, be very careful using a handheld blender, the blades are sharp. Plug the blender in and switch on at the socket. Immerse it into the food, turn on and move it around to blend. Switch off and unplug the blender.